What's up guys, Alessandro here, and today I'm gonna update you on Layer Bitcoin, so LayerBTC, which is going to be a completely new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin, and they have just started right now the next round of their pre-market phase. And also this new project is currently mentioned in different crypto websites, and that is actually bullish, because also here you can see that those layer 2s on top of Bitcoin are gaining more and more popularity, and this is something very good for everyone that is buying those new coins in the pre-market phase, especially during this bull run, in which in my opinion still has to see the best time. So in my opinion, we are at the beginning of a major altcoin season, and not only altcoins but also layer 2s on top of Bitcoin we are seeing coming up and getting more and more popular, because of course it would be great to have a good running layer 2 on top of Bitcoin that everyone is using, like the Tron network or the Ethereum network and so on. So we're gonna have a look quickly into this article, guys, and remember, if you want to invest into layer 2, currently you can join the pre-market phase. It is now the third round that has started. It goes very quickly, guys, because currently this is the price here and the listing price will be 6 cents. So currently here you can see 59x is possible, just to, for example, sell at the launch or just keep it, because normally whenever it's getting listed on exchanges, you're gonna enter into a huge volatile phase, both to the upside and to the downside. But at the end, if the product is really good, then most of the times the coin is appreciating that and the value is going up. Of course, no promises, guys, everything can happen with those new coins, but at least right now we can buy at the floor price basically before it is getting listed at 6 cents. And if you want to join, also here you can just connect the wallet of your choice, about more than 120,000, and if you're spending at least $500 you get 10% bonus, which I think is okay. And then you can just keep the coins here and wait for the launch. I keep you updated, guys, what to do at launch, how to claim the coins and so on. But until then, we can keep accumulating them. And also here on the web, on this article, it's written what this one is all about. So remember, guys, to be subscribed on this channel, because I update you every now and then about this project and also the progress, and also once we have some important announcements, when it's getting listed, where it's getting listed, and so on. And you see that also the rounds are going very quickly forward until up to 6 cents. And that's why it is good, of course, to buy as early as possible. Of course, this is all no financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just to entertain you. I'm showing you always the newest crypto projects that I'm buying in and that I'm bullish at, and of course whatever I am trading. Also when I go long or short on a crypto, also on Bitcoin, of course, I always share that. And right now also we have a great bonus system going on with BitUnix exchange here. You don't need KYC, nothing, just sign up, get extra deposit bonuses when you deposit here some funds. And of course, if you're trading with leverage, also you can get even an Apple Watch, a MacBook Pro and so on, if you're reaching certain trading volumes here. So sign up with the links in the video description to BitUnix, of course, and also to Layer Bitcoin. I'm gonna put the link also right at the top, this LayerBTC, this one over here. This one I'm gonna put right at the top so you cannot miss it out. And of course, join also my other social media platforms where I'm sharing always the newest stuff when I don't have time to do a video. But of course, most of the times I have time to do a video, since I'm here since 2017 in the crypto space, guys. And that's why, fortunately, I'm in the position that I can do basically videos my whole day and do basically just trading, and that's it. And remember, guys, Bitcoin and the cryptos that I like to hodl for the long term, I never touch them, never sell. I just keep accumulating, especially my gains. I keep accumulating into Bitcoin, for example. But in the immediate short term, I like to buy and sell all those new cryptos like LayerBTC, of course, some I always gonna keep for the long term as well. But otherwise, I'm also speculating and of course trading with those new altcoins and existing altcoins, buying and selling all the time. But this one here has also long-term growth potential, of course, because it's not just a short-term meme coin that is hyped now and tomorrow not anymore. It is a utility coin, and usually utility coins are good to hold for the long term, of course. And if you want to join it, just click here, join the pre-market phase, and then connect the wallet. And here you can choose the network, the token that you would like to invest, the amount, and then you just click here, buy. The minimum is $75, which is of course nothing. And yeah, only if you spend like $500, you get this bonus here if you want. But otherwise, important is always just to be involved into this project, because I am bullish for LayerBTC. And of course, I hope that this layer 2 on Bitcoin is also going to be successful, because it will also be in benefit for Bitcoin if we have a good layer 2. And this one here, you can see that they raised very quickly $340,000 with this token price, targeting the 6 cents listing value through multi-asset participation. 12 billion token supply allocated for the public sale, 30%, ecosystem growth 25%, and incentives to align stakeholders. Then the roadmap includes Q3 2025, Q4 the testnet, and Q1 2006 mainnet smart vaults to enable Bitcoin native app development. Project aimed to lower innovation barriers by combining Bitcoin security with flexible tools for developers and institutions as well. So we should expect the coin to launch somewhere here, I guess, towards the end of this year, maybe even Q3, we will see. And then of course Q1 to go live. And maybe until then, the token will go into huge moves, both to the upside and to the downside, because imagine all those people that are buying right now at those cheap prices. Of course, it's very attractive to maybe take some chips from the table if it's reaching 6 cents, or once it's launched at 6 cents. And yeah, here you can read the whole article about this project. We have already covered it, of course. I just want to remind you that the third round now has started. So that's why hurry up if you want to get on board here before it keeps going higher until the launch price. And then once it's out, then of course we're going to see what will happen with the coin. And also once the mainnet is live in Q1 2026. And until then, I keep you updated, guys. So that's why make sure to be subscribed on this channel and leave a like, very much appreciated. And we're going to see us all in the next one. Bye for now.